Huawei recently launched a laptop that looks like it's from the future. It's thinner than your smartphone, delivers a massive 18-inch display with dual-layer OLED technology, stunning 3.3K resolution, incredible brightness and visual quality, and it literally folds in half. Meanwhile, Apple is over here like, I want to talk about a feat that some may have concluded must be a mathematical impossibility. That's right, we're bringing calculator to iPad. I'm talking about the Huawei MatePad Pro, and it's completely rewriting the rules of what we thought was possible. While everyone else is bumping up their RAM or adding more ports and calling it innovation, Huawei is years ahead and asked a way better question. What if your laptop screen could be as big as your monitor, but still fit in your backpack without breaking your spine? You're looking at an 18-inch foldable OLED that delivers 3.3K resolution with 1600 nits of peak brightness. That's brighter than most TVs and sharp enough to make text look like it's printed on actual paper. The dual-layer OLED technology cuts power consumption by 30% while tripling the lifespan compared to regular OLED panels. So you're not just getting a gorgeous screen, you're getting one that'll actually last. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another foldable that's going to be a gimmicky mess. But here's the genius part. When you fold this thing, it becomes a legitimate 13-inch device that's actually usable. Not some awkward compromise, but a real laptop that just happens to transform into a massive screen when you need it. The engineering behind this thing is absolutely insane. It's thinner than most smartphones, yet somehow they managed to house a complete computer with advanced cooling inside. The water drop hinge lets you open it one-handed and holds any angle between 30 and 150 degrees without wobbling like a broken desk fan. It's so smooth, it almost feels magical. Now, I know you're going to ask about the crease. Here's the thing. Looking straight at it, you genuinely can't see or feel it. Only from extreme angles does a faint line appear, and honestly, you'll forget about it after 5 minutes of actually using the thing. The real magic happens with how you interact with this beast. When it's flat on a table, it's one seamless 18-inch touchscreen that responds like your phone. Fold it slightly and watch this. The interface automatically splits into upper and lower zones without you doing anything. Want to move a window from the top half to the bottom? Just 3-finger swipe down, 5-finger pinch and watch it spread like butter on warm toast. Traditional laptops feel like you're operating them with oven mitts. The virtual keyboard is surprisingly good. It has haptic feedback, sound, and vibration that make typing feel natural. There's even this clever gesture where you can swipe across the delete key to erase entire lines. But if you're like me and prefer the feel of physical keys, the magnetic keyboard snaps on with this satisfying precision that makes you want to do it over and over again. The moment you attach it, the interface instantly shifts everything to the top half. Laptop mode for traditional work when you need to pretend you're being productive. Tablet mode for that full 18-inch experience that makes reading documents feel like flipping through a magazine. Tent mode with the built-in kickstand for presentations where you want to look like you're from the future. And book mode when folded for reading or taking notes like you're holding the world's most expensive notebook. Canvas space that makes editing feel natural. And for entertainment, watching Netflix on an 18-inch OLED with 6 speakers. You can even swipe videos vertically or horizontally for the ultimate viewing experience. The 1.16 kilogram weight means it won't destroy your shoulders, and the 74.69 watt-hour battery with 140 watt charging keeps you working without constantly hunting for outlets. 2 USB-C ports handle everything you need, and the fingerprint scanner in the power button works so fast you'll think it's reading your mind. I'm not here to blow sunshine up your laptop bag. This thing costs $3,300 for the 1 terabyte model or $3,700 for 2 terabytes. Yes, you're paying for technology that literally doesn't exist anywhere else. It runs HarmonyOS 5, not Windows, which means you're adapting to Huawei's ecosystem instead of Microsoft's familiar chaos. Some apps you rely on might not be available. It doesn't come with Google Play installed and doesn't support Google mobile services ever since Google banned Huawei back in 2019. But you can install Windows 11 on top of HarmonyOS, which would allow you to access Google Chrome and other Windows-compatible services. Global availability is limited due to various trade restrictions, durability concerns. Foldable displays are still relatively new technologies. The MatePad Fold isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's laser-focused on solving real problems that creative professionals and power users face every day. What do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know if you'd actually use something like this, and make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews of tech that's actually worth your attention.